This episode opens a worldwide series exploring Hazreti Muhammed SAV's prophetic insights and their relevance to modern science and ethics. Through selected hadiths, the program traces foresight about weather patterns, ecological balance, and the cautious use of resources long before modern discovery. Interfaith dialogue appears as scholars compare biblical and other sacred texts that whisper shared anticipation of a guiding wisdom. The narrative emphasizes miraculous precision and divine guidance, portraying revelations as light that informs conscience as much as inquiry. Each episode invites viewers to reflect on truth, humility, and responsibility toward Earth and humanity.